New dummy unit shows how big the cutouts on the iPhone 14 Pro Max could be. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. Leaker Shrimp Apple Pro, who was the first to report on Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max new design. And today he shared an image and video on the iPhone 14 Pro Max 3D printed dummy unit. It is presumably based on specification that Apple sent to accessory makers and give us an idea of changes that the new model will bring. Though we have seen iPhone 14 series mock-up units before, but this is the first time we are getting to see one with a pill and hole cutout that will replace the notch on the Pro model. As recent reports have indicated, the cutout, which will accommodate the front camera and the Face ID tag, will be a little larger than what we are accustomed to seeing. It looks like the Apple has only removed the dead area surrounding the notch element and has not shrunk the individual components. Another thing that this dummy unit seems to have revealed is that iPhone 14 Pro Max has a taller aspect ratio than the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is according to the report and the images that had said the new phone could be taller to accommodate the new front design. Apparently, the ratio has changed from 19.5 by 9 to 20 by 9. This also appears to explain why the iPhone 14 Pro Max has different shaped edges. The image also corroborates rumors that had said that iPhone 14 Pro Max would have a bigger camera bump. The dimensions have alleged been increased to make space for the new 48 megapixel camera that will replace the 12 megapixel primary sensor. This is the reason why iPhone 13 Pro Max case does not fit to the iPhone 14 Pro Max dummy, even though the phone is likely to have the same 6.7-inch screen size as its predecessor. Although not abundantly clear in the images, the phone may have thinner bezels than the 2021 variant. That's about all the design changes that are expected for the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro Max. The Pro models are also rumored to get a faster A16 Bionic chip that will be based on a more advanced half node, and this should theoretically make them speedier and more power efficient. The entire lineup is expected to equip with a better front camera and is also tipped to have the capacity to send emergency text over satellite networks. Although I don't think that satellite networks emergency services might be coming in the iPhone 14 series. And these changes could make them the best handset of 2022. As you may already have here, the 5.4-inch iPhone 13 mini will be gone and it will be replaced by a 6.7-inch of Max model, and I believe that this is going to be the model that most people are going to be buying that. And Apple was expected to reveal the new phones in September, but given the current lockdown situation in China, which has affected the biggest iPhone assembler, a delay cannot be ruled out. So if the lockdown continues, then we could expect that the launch of the upcoming iPhone 14 series might be delayed up to October or even November. And you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this 3D printed dummy? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.